Alright, in this tutorial we are going to see how to use lattice and how to rotate the lattice. Like for example, if I'm creating a lattice for this stone, I'll choose anyone, okay, because it's a straight. For that, if I'm using any lattice in the deformer section, lattice, so perfect. So I'm using this one. If you see, this is easy because the object is vertical. The most of the people are asking how to change the angle and rotate the lattice. For example, I want to use for this group. I'm selecting. So it's not vertical, it's a little bit tilted. I'm using lattice. See, if you see this lattice, you are getting this box. See how to rotate this according to this angle. Okay, for that, just select both of them. Go to side view, however you want. You can just rotate as per our requirement. Yeah, now you can deselect and select this. You can work however you want. Got it? Yeah, this is small tips for modeling section people. Yeah, it may help for others also, but it is. Thank you.